This woman's trip to the spa for what she thought would be a simple cosmetic procedure left her branded. It's a case that highlights the potential risks of the booming medical spa industry, which offers Botox and laser treatments right under the same roof as your massage. But the experts say regulations haven't kept up with the industry's growth. As Matt Mahar reports, that can spell danger for consumers.
Jordan Miles has a closet full of expensive sleeveless dresses she's now giving away to charity.
The dresses that I have here, you can see they're sleeveless, and I'm unable to wear any of these.
Underneath her modest sweater set, this 51-year-old Florida mom has a secret she's never shared with anyone until now.
It's very embarrassing, very humiliating.
Jordan's disturbing story began about a year ago when she came to this spa, Studio 605 in Panama City, Florida, for a laser treatment to remove some unsightly sunspots. This was the result. Jordan says she was left with second and third degree burns in a zebra stripe pattern across her entire back and both arms.
It was just so excruciating. I just can't even describe the feeling.
Jordan had been treated with an intense pulse light laser like this one, but she says she was never examined by a doctor or the spa's owner, a registered nurse practitioner.
So the nurse practitioner never saw you?
Never before, during, or after.
Jordan says she intends to sue Studio 605. The spa's owner had no comment about Jordan's case, and the spa is no longer in business. But the industry it was part of is booming. They're called medical spas. Under one roof, you can get a facial, have a massage, get a Botox injection, even get sunspots zapped or wrinkles removed by powerful lasers. All perfectly safe procedures in the right hands. At this respected spa in Manhattan called Juva, Dr. Bruce Katz requires expert doctors to perform or supervise all medical procedures.
This device seems like it's simple to use, but in fact, if it's not done properly, people can get burned and scarred.
Lasers are powerful devices, and in the hands of someone without proper training, can do tremendous damage. Yet experts say many states don't regulate who can use such devices. Look at these pictures. Dermatologists say all of these injuries are the result of procedures performed by untrained non-physicians.
All of us have been treating more and more patients that have had botched jobs from spas.
As for Jordan Miles, her scars have faded from this to this. But she must still keep covered up in the sun or risk additional scarring.
I hope that no one else has to go through this.
So how can you make sure that you receive a safe procedure at a medical spa? The American Society for Dermatologic Surgery says make sure a doctor is on the site. Check the credentials and experience of the person performing your procedure. Never go to someone's home or hotel room to have a cosmetic procedure performed. And finally, don't rely simply on price when making treatment decisions about your body.